You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name that I know is very confusing, in a name of Chinese origin generally, although some other countries may have it as well. Mandarin Chinese, the pronunciation is yu. Okay, you may have different intonations, but it's yu. No, it's not you. Yu. Yu. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.